Hey, hello, good family. Hope you all are doing good. All of us also doing good over here. And Shakira, she's sitting over there. She's just observing me, what I'm doing, what I'm going to do. Well, as you know that, as you can see, my whole body is sweaty, my face is sweaty because I went to the chicken market, and just now I have just come back from chicken market because as you know that every Sunday I used to give chicken or chicken spare parts to the stray dogs. So as usual today also I went to the chicken market for bringing those chicken spare parts along with some chicken, and yeah, which I am going to give them tomorrow. That is why just I sweated a lot because wherever I go, not only in the chicken market, wherever I go, I just go by walk only, as you know, since the early days. Well, so that is the reason why I have sweated. Well, so let's see what I have brought for them today. These are the chicken and chicken spare parts over here. I have brought like 7 kgs, almost 7 kgs of chicken and chicken spare parts, which I will boil now, and after boiling, yeah, tomorrow morning I will give them. Well, so let's boil it. So these are the chicken pieces actually, and I'm going to to keep over here, it will be better. And look who's here. What happened, Shakira? Wait, honey, I'll give you. She's actually waiting here for having some chicken. Come, Shakira, take one piece, honey, come on. So this is the whole chicken, or chicken spare parts, you can say. You want one piece? No? Take it, it's okay, okay. Oh, I don't know why she's feeling so shy or what. I'm not sure. She's not taking. Have it, it's okay. Don't you want to eat it raw? I think she doesn't want to eat it raw. No? It's okay. Have it, honey. Have it. Oh, she's so confused. Have it, it's okay. Actually, I have never given her any raw chicken or without boiled. I have never given. Maybe that's the effect. It's okay. Eat. Have it. It's okay, honey. It's okay. Okay, I will place it over here. Let's see whether she eats or not. Oh, she's trying to eat. Well, let's see. I hope she'll be eating. Finish it, honey. Finish it. Okay. On the other hand, okay, I need to open the door. Means window. It's very hot over here today again. And I'll give a wash to this chicken later on. I'll just keep on the gas stove. So let's wash it. Well, after washing the chicken, I have just already placed over here on the stove, as you can see, and now I'm going to cover it up with this cover. Well, you know, the solid chicken is very expensive over here. Like it's almost 300 rupees a 1 kg of solid chicken if you want to buy the broiler chicken. I'm talking about the broiler, not the country chicken. Country chicken is, it's on fire. You know, it's just out of the reach of the normal people, the common people. They cannot even touch it. They cannot even talk about the country chicken. Well, so definitely for the normal people or the lower middle class people, or for the people who are actually common people, for them the broiler is the only one option. So it's almost, that is also very expensive. It's almost 300 rupees a kg broiler chicken over here. So yeah, usually I don't bring the solid chicken for the dogs because it is very expensive. That is the main reason. And financially I don't have that much support, or I don't have that much ability to buy the solid chicken for the dogs out there. So early days actually I used to buy chicken leg feet, not leg actually, that is chicken feet actually, leg feet, that yellow color, the feet actually. But later on what happened, many of you told me not to give the chicken leg feet to the dogs. You told me that that leg feet, that may stuck inside of their mouth and they may get a problem, that may create dangerous problem to them. So that's the reason I didn't. Nowadays actually I'm not buying the chicken feet. I'm buying only the chicken, or like chicken bones, not even bones actually, the what to call, the chest, actually chest of the chicken. And yeah, like this kind of chicken neck and some other spare parts like that. Alright, so let's cover it. It will be cooked in low to medium flame, and after cooking I will show you again how it looks. Alright, let's see. What about the chicken? Did it get boiled properly or not? Okay, almost it's boiled. I'll just boil for a couple of moments, means couple of minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes more I'll boil, and later on I'll just stop the flame. Okay, and for me the dinner today is, as you can see, there's rice, and I cooked the rice at early morning. I cook one time and I eat 2 or 3 times. Actually most of the nights I don't have my dinner, but if any day, like if there is any curry or if there is any extra rice, then only I eat. Because if I don't eat the curry or the food, actually the rice, it will be wasted, and I don't like to waste any food, as you know. So that is the reason, because I don't want to waste the food. And there is a little yogurt over here. I will eat rice and yogurt. No, Shakira, it's not for you, honey. I will give you chicken, huh? There is chicken. I brought chicken today, honey. So the yogurt and rice I will mix together, and I'll have a little dinner, actually not much more, because there is some rice, and if I don't eat the rice will be subtle tomorrow, and the rice, it may get rotten also. I mean, it will be spoiled. I will not be able to eat tomorrow, so that's the reason. Alright, after a couple of moments I will just, the chicken will be boiled, and I'll stop the flame. So let's wait for a couple of moments. As you can see, the chicken has been boiled thoroughly. It has been boiled nicely, and I have already stopped the flame. I know the stove is very dirty. I know, actually today I didn't get time to clean it up, although it is Sunday, I know, but I had some other work like washing clothes and some other stuffs like that, so that's why I couldn't get much time to clean the stove. Tomorrow definitely I'll clean up the stove and all. And I am going to give some chicken, some pieces of chicken to Shakira to eat now, so that she'll be happy. And actually she's waiting for the chicken to be boiled So I must give her some. Shakira, she's here. Look at her. Wait, honey, I'll give you. She's such a sweetie. No, 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 it's hot, it's hot. I need to wash it in the water. No, 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 no. Do not take that, honey, right now. I'll give you, wait, it's for you. I'm just... Okay. This many pieces will be okay for her right now. I'll give you a little wash in the water so that it will become cool down. Shakira, let's go, honey. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, look at her happiness. You happy? Honey? Shakira? Okay, have it. Okay, should be having now. And tomorrow morning I'm going to give the rest of the chicken to the stray dogs. The food is ready, as you can see. Most of the portion of the food is there, means everywhere I have kept. And wait, now I'm going to give the stray dogs out there. As you can see over there, there's some dog outside. Also, there are some more dogs, Tina's family and all. I'll give them some of the chicken I have kept for Shakira, as she will eat later on. Alright, so let's go outside and let's give them. They'll be so happy and excited. Let's see how much happy they will be. Well, this is my home, as you know already. So I'm going outside. Let's see if there is anybody. Means if there is any dogs out there. And there's one. Come on, come this side. What are the others? The dogs are that side. Come this side. They're coming. Come on. Hello. Come. Come here. Eat that. Come on. They're a little scared. There's one over there, as you can see. Okay, if I keep the food over here, means they will eat. So I need to keep the food over here, I guess. I have kept the food over there and they will come now. Go. It's okay, don't be scared of me. I have to go that side. Go. They're a little scared of me. I don't know why. This one is very confused whether he should go or not. There's one who's coming over here. Hey, don't fight. Okay, because of him, they went that side. Do not fight. Okay, they'll be eating over here. Oh, there are lots of dogs. They're coming. They're coming over here this side. Go and eat. Well, all of them, they will go and they are swarm approaching towards some other dogs. Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi guys, they're so happy it seems. There are two over here today. There's to be some other dogs too over here. I don't know where they. Hello, 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 hello. Let's come that side. Better I'll give them food that side. She's so happy it seems. Come on, come this side, Anis. Come. Come over here, come over here. Hello, hello, hello. Wait, 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 wait. Oh. Eat. I don't know where the others. There's to be 4-5 dogs over here. Hey, don't fight. Both of them are female dogs. And one of the dogs, I guess, she's Shakira's mother. Not sure though. Most probably. Oh, there is one dog over there. She's trying to come over here, but she's confused actually. She doesn't live over here on this side. She lives the other side. And look at her. She's happy and she's trying to come over here, but she's confused at the same time. Okay, okay, you guys eat, eat, eat. Why you are not eating? Okay, I need to place the food over here, otherwise they will not eat. Eat, 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 eat. Oh, she has come over here. Look at her. You guys finish this food, okay? Hey, what happened? What? They will start a fight. Better I should go that side. She will come with me. Hey, come on. I'll go that side and I'll give feed to her that side. Come on. What happened? Okay, I have brought them this side. This one was trying to fight actually. So I had to brought them here. But this side literally there used to be 5-6 dogs, and today there are only 2. I don't know where the rest of them are, and I hope they are good, they're well. Wait, do not fight and do not do anything. I'm placing the food over here, otherwise they will start fighting. Eat from there. Oh, she's not eating from there. Okay, I'll give some food to her over here. Okay, eat from here. And don't fight. Look at that on. Okay. Better I will approach to some of the dogs now. They'll keep eating over here. So let's go. Okay. And 2 of them are walking with me. I'll give them some food over here. Come on. But the problem is that side. I'm about to reach to hospital area, and over there actually, as you know, there are lots of dogs, and I'm scared that whether they will start fighting or not. If they start fighting means that will be problem literally. Come on. Come this side. Okay, I'll give them some food over here. It's from here. Come on, come on. Come on, honey. Come on. He's scared of him. Why are you eating alone? You shouldn't do this. Share the food. Okay, they will share mostly, or else I'll place some food over here for him. Eat. Go. Okay, I'll place some more food here. Come on. For him, I'm placing some more food. Come this side. Go. Okay, he'll eat from there. Go. That one is eating and he'll eat. Go. Go and eat, honey. Go. Go. Okay, I'm approaching to some of the dogs. They'll eat over there. Well, I have reached to some of the dogs over here. As you can see, they're waiting. What happened? This one, he used to bark on me always. What happened? And there is one more. What? You want some food? Okay. And there's some more dogs over there. Hey, I'm being wet. They're asking for food. Okay, have it. Come on. I'll place over here so that they can have easily. Means they will not have to face any problem. Hey, wait, because if I give one ball, means they will start fighting with each other. And if I give the food like this, each and everyone can get one piece of chicken. Okay, have it. And don't fight each other. There has to be some more. Oh, there's one over there, but he's scared of them. Hey, don't fight. That white dog, literally, he is very aggressive towards some other dogs, and he doesn't allow the other dogs to eat properly. Most of them are actually, those three are puppy. They're not adult dog. This one is adult dog, that one, and that one. Did you finish, all of you? Oh, they have finished already. Oh my God. Okay, I'll give some more. Come on, I'll give some more. Come. Come this side. I have to walk faster, otherwise they will start following me. Let's go. I'll walk first now, otherwise they will start following me. That would be difficult actually. Wait. Look, that Ren is there. Rock is here. Hello, Rock. Hello. Look, Ren is trying to come outside. But where is Tina? Come. It's okay. Oh. Where is Tina? Tina is here. Where is Robert? All of you stop shouting, stop barking. I'll give you. Hey! And Rock? Seriously, why do they do this? Hey, come on, come inside. Don't do that. My God, you people are so. And that side to bark at people, I literally cannot understand their mindset. All of you, come on. Hey, come on, come on, all of you. Tina, have it, have it, have it, have it, have it, have it, have it. Don't shout on people. Hey! Look at them. I given them food and still they will shout on people. I don't understand their mentality. Oh, it's Tina. Come on, Tina. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, she's not trying to eat. I don't understand. Tina, don't you like chicken? Do not you like? Eat it, all of you. I don't know what's wrong with Tina. She's not trying to eat. Well, Paul is not here again. It's been 5 days. Paul is not here this side, as you can see. I don't know where he has gone and what happened to him. I'm so tensed for him. I'm literally not okay because of him. You know, last few days Paul was going continuously to my home. What happened? What happened, sweetie? I'll give some food to him. Okay, you want to eat? Come on, come on. Over here, over here. Oh, he's trying to eat. You know, last few days Paul was going to my home continuously. I think he was trying to say me something and you know, but I didn't understand. I couldn't understand him. Hey, stop. Tina, come this side. Tina, come this side. Come on. We'll let them eat. They will eat. Honey, can you eat? Eat this one. Eat this one. Okay, I'll just break a piece of chicken. Let's see whether. Ah, he's eating. He's eating the chicken. Oh my God. Today I didn't understand. Hey, stop, 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 stop. No, 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 no. Okay, there's a person there. As you can see, he's trying to kill the dogs. Oh. There are a group of people, as you can see over there. So one of them again today started throwing stones to these dogs. He started beating up to these dogs. I don't understand literally why the people have problem with the dogs. If they have problem, they should not come over here, right, in this area. Why they are coming in this area and why they are just creating problems for them, I don't understand. Literally, I'm right now, you know, so angry, means I'm offended because of that. Continuously people have, you know, the people who are not even local, means who are not even, this place doesn't even belong to them. So why would they react like that way? I don't know. That kind of people, those group of people, they used to like, you know, come over here every day and they used to create problem for the dogs every day. Hey, stop, stop. Stop it. Okay, so and look at Ryan. Ryan has finished one piece of chicken. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at him. You want some more, honey? You want some more? Okay. I will give them food and you know, after feeding them I'll go back to my home. Also, on the way of my going to home, if I find any other dogs, I will feed them too. Please keep them in your prayers. Also, try to help them as much as it is possible for the food at least. Alright, have a good day, have a good night. Bye bye, take care, everyone.